Want to save 25% off MSRP or more on a new motorhome? Then visit MHSRV.com.
We're told not to judge a book by its cover, but look at it. Inside and out, this is everything you could ever want in a motorhome. Don't believe in love at first sight? It just happened. The 2020 Palazzo from Thor Motor Coach. Wherever your destination, the Palazzo is designed to make every trip feel like home. This is where it all starts, with the Freightliner XCS straight rail chassis. Add on the strength of the hand-built Atlas foundation and your Palazzo is solid, sturdy, and built to never let you down. Out back, the Palazzo has a Cummins ISB 6.7-liter diesel. Depending on your floor plan, you have either 300 horsepower and 660 pound-feet of torque or 340 horsepower with 700 pound-feet of torque. Both are matched to an Allison 6-speed transmission. The air ride suspension delivers a smooth, quiet ride. The 55-degree wheel cut up front, paired with V-Ride technology out back, helps with stability and handling, even when you put that 10,000-pound hitch to work. The dual fuel fills mean less hassle for you at the pump. Pull in and fill up however it's convenient for you. Once you occupy the driver's seat and take control of the wheel, every feature you could ask for is right where you need it. From the one-touch leveling controls, over to your touchscreen infotainment center that features navigation, satellite radio, Bluetooth connectivity, and is the monitor for your rear and side view cameras from your chrome-heated mirrors. The bird's eye window is another great safety feature to help keep an eye on your surroundings. The Palazzo pampers all passengers. The flip-out workstation is equipped with 110 and 12-volt outlets, so whether you want to work or stay up until you find all the words, this place is exactly what you need. After the drive, simply spin the chairs around and they become part of your living area. Palazzo floor plans are all unique with their own feature set to maximize your enjoyment and meet your needs. You'll find a dream dinette in every Palazzo. Dinner for 4 or drinks for 2. This is designed for comfort and convenience as it quickly and easily converts into a bed for the night. Chilly? Grab your blanket from the pull-out underneath. How about diving into the sofa, which is exactly what you'll want to do here. You can relax all day or night as you are seconds away from making this into a bed. Theater seating is an option you'll be glad you have every time you pull the lever and put your feet up and hang out in front of the electric fireplace or catch up on your favorite show with the TV with soundbar and Blu-ray player. It may be out of sight, but it is never out of mind. The drop-down overhead bunk is another feature that makes the Palazzo stand out from the crowd. Walking into the kitchen, you are treated to solid surface countertops and sink covers for your double bowl stainless steel sink. This makes a perfect place to let that favorite recipe of yours cool after you pull it out of the convection microwave. You also have a dual burner electric induction cooktop and residential fridge. With bath and a half floor plans on some models, you always have the space and privacy you need. The full baths have an oversized shower with skylight and glass door. You'll never be short on counter space. And the medicine cabinets are a nice touch to help keep you organized. With all the storage in the Palazzo, you'll have no trouble finding a place for everything. Let's use the bunkhouse model as an example. Yes, it's a place for 2 to sleep and the bunks even have their own TVs, but if you flip up the top bunk and lock it in place, now you have a very large closet. Behind these doors, and standard on every Palazzo, is a stackable washer and dryer. Heading into the bedroom, where you will find a comfortable queen or tilt-a-view king bed. All Palazzo bedrooms feature nightstands with USB charging ports. Across to the dresser, and under the TV in this case, you'll find another great place to set your gear, even keep it charged and ready to download what is about to be your new favorite app on your own internet connection. With the WineGuard Connect 2.0 4G hotspot, you can set up your own safe, secure internet connection no matter where you happen to be traveling. As for that app, even when you're lying in bed, you can take control of all the features of your Palazzo with Rapid Camp Plus. This is your all-in-one control center. Dim the lights or turn them all off, room by room. Extend or retract slides, Turn on your ACs or furnace. Open and close vents. Monitor your tank levels. Set the auto gen start on your 6,000 watt diesel generator. Look at your power. Are you running on 50 amp shore power or on the 2,000 watt inverter? Raise and lower your bunk and TV. You can use the full color touchscreen and remote panels, or download the app to your phone or tablet and have control from inside or outside your Palazzo. Now press the button and get those awnings ready for some outdoor living like you've never experienced. The first thing we need to do is open those side hinged storage bay doors. With the easy slide storage tray, there is room to load up gear for all your passengers. If you want to sit back and watch a movie, the Palazzo offers a TV with soundbar. When you don't feel like heating up the kitchen, you can grill out using the exterior propane connection. With 100 watts of solar charging, you can enjoy places like this a little longer, because this is everything you could ever want. This is the 2020 Palazzo from Thor Motor Coach. Find the Palazzo floor plan made to fit you at thormotorcoach.com.
If you would like to see sales prices from the only full-line and fully authorized Thor Motor Coach dealership in the world, visit Motorhome Specialist at mhsrv.com or call 800-335-6054. Motorhome Specialist is the #1 volume-selling motorhome dealership in the world, with over $165 million in inventory to choose from, all at one central location, making it easy to fly in from anywhere in the country and then drive your new dream motor coach home. All sale priced at a minimum of 25% off the manufacturer's suggested retail price every day. You will also enjoy the premier delivery process that can only be found at MHSRV. From the extensive pre-check and make-ready process to the only dealership performed and fully automated rain booth test in the industry, you'll see a world of difference at Motorhome Specialist. These additional detail and inspection processes are just a few of the countless steps taken here at Motorhome Specialist to help ensure that you not only receive a better selection and price, but also the unparalleled quality and service that you deserve to go along with it. So get busy living in an all-new Thor Motor Coach from Motorhome Specialist today. Why pay more? Why settle for less?